Makita 18-inch cordless battery-powered lawnmower. I unfortunately let my grass get too tall with the rain. But this thing is so easy to use. It has easy to assemble. I put it together myself. So far, been mowing about 40 minutes on the same batteries. The first set of batteries, I have 4. It is doing a fantastic job. This grass, I don't know if you can tell from the video, is about 2 feet tall and it's wet underneath. I used it myself, very easy to use. I've had 3 back surgeries, so it's very hard for me to push a lawnmower. This thing is so lightweight and easy. It also has a grass catcher, but with the grass so tall right now, it was a constant empty. So we have it just set up without it right now. It's a great purchase. I'm glad I bought it.